What is up guys, today I'm going to show my self-made dremel tool which I made it in my home and it's kinda cool. Magnetic disc with the sandpaper attached on it, and is the USB cable for power, and I'm gonna start it with the same power bank I had, and let's get started. I am going to sharp this screwdrivers metal, and this one also. There's the two of them. So I'm gonna power it on. Pretty sharp. Look at that. Have a type on the back side. You can see it's working. Taking another metal. You can see it. So basically you can sharp any knife with it, almost any knife or anything which is needs to be sharpened. So that is for today guys, hope you enjoy. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. That's all. Be safe, be at home.